If you are a customization enthusiast, setting up a unique ringtone or notification alert on your phone is one of the few things you do right after you take it out of the box. And since most people these days just don't even bother changing the stock ringtone on their devices, changing yours can really help you differentiate when your phone is ringing. Now you can always go with another one of the stock ringtones that are preloaded on your phone, but then again there's a chance someone else might be using that too, which is why it's best to set up a custom ringtone. Now if you're wondering how you can do that, don't worry, we are here to help. Hey guys, this is Abhijit from GT, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at a couple of great ringtone apps that will help you set up a custom ringtone on your device in no time. So let's get right to it, shall we? Kicking things off is the Pi Music Player. Yes, a music player which not only helps you play all your offline songs, but also lets you trim them and set them as your ringtone. To do that, you just need to tap on the menu button, select the ringtone cutter, choose any song from your storage, crop it, and then tap on the save button. Once you do that, the app will automatically show a prompt asking you if you want to set it as your default ringtone. Simple, right? But remember, that's not all that this app can do. It's a full-fledged music player after all, and a pretty good one at that. It comes with a built-in 5-band equalizer, an enhanced folder view, a nifty sharing feature to help you share your songs with friends, an audiobook and podcast player, and on top of all that, it even lets you play music directly from YouTube. Isn't that cool? I quite like the app's minimal UI and smooth transitions as well, and unlike many other free ringtone apps, it's not plagued with full-screen ads, which is always a bonus. I just wish you could directly convert a YouTube video into a ringtone, but I guess that's asking for too much from a completely free app. Now, if you don't want to go through the trouble of cropping and setting your own songs as a ringtone and want an app that will just let you download cool ringtones right away, then you should check out Zedge. This app has an amazing collection of popular ringtones that you can download and use without worrying about cropping them first. Just open up the app, tap on the menu icon, select ringtones, and check out the ones that the app has on offer. The ringtones section is divided into 3 tabs, with the first one showcasing popular ringtones. The second tab lists down all the categories so that you can easily find the ringtone you're looking for. And the third tab features premium ringtones. If you find something interesting, you can tap on the play button to listen to it instantly. If you like what you hear, tap on the listing, and in the following window, tap on the set button to use the file as your ringtone, or set it up as the alarm sound, notification alert, or custom ringtone for a specific contact. What's really great about using Zedge though is that it also features a great selection of wallpapers as well that you can use to customize your phone to your liking. And the only downside is that you'll have to bear with a full screen ad or two while using the app. And that's annoying, but if you want free stuff, I guess you'll have to get used to it. Moving on, let's take a look at the RSFX Ringtone Slicer, another simple audio editing app that you can use to crop any song on your phone and make it your ringtone. Sure, the app has a dated looking interface which doesn't look all that appealing, but it gets the job done without shoving too many ads in your face, which isn't something that I can say about most similar apps, including the one we just discussed. To make a ringtone, just pick an audio file from your phone storage and open it in the editor. Then drag inwards from the top left edge to set a starting point and do the same from the bottom right edge to set an ending point. Simply tap on the floppy icon at the top to save your new ringtone. Simple, right? Well, that's not all. Tap on the effects button to open up a pop-up window that will allow you to add effects to your ringtone. Here you can add a fade effect, play around with the equalizer, or give your ringtone a volume boost. Just make sure that you don't overdo it because that might cause distortion. Once you're satisfied with the results, tap on done and then save your ringtone. It's saved in the ringtones folder on your phone by default, and you can use it by simply heading to the sound settings on your phone and selecting it from within the ringtone section there. Next up is another similar app called Audio MP3 Editor, which includes all of the features that you get with RSFX, but with a couple of useful additions. The app not only lets you trim your audio clips, but also allows you to merge 2 clips together, mix audio files to create your own unique remix, record a new clip, and even convert the format of your audio files. On top of that, you can use the app to convert videos to audio files as well, but there's one major shortcoming. Since the app is free to use, it's naturally supported by ads. However, the ads here can be really annoying. Not only does the app feature banner ads almost everywhere, it also has an annoying full screen video ads that show up quite often. So if that bothers you, I think you should definitely steer clear of this one or pay the premium to remove the ads altogether. Rounding things off is Ringport, another fairly simple MP3 editor that you can use to easily crop audio files and make ringtones. It's actually quite easy to use and just requires you to select a file, select the starting and ending points on the waveform, and trim to your desired length. You can also copy and paste sections of the audio if you want to make a longer ringtone with repetitive sections, which is a great addition. The app also lets you record your own audio clips to make unique ringtones, and once you're done, you can save your project by tapping on the floppy icon at the top. The ringtones are saved in the default ringtone location on your phone, making it really easy to select them from within the sound settings. Well, that sums it up for today's video. Make sure to try out all these apps to make your perfect ringtone. As always, you'll find the links in the description down below. Hit the like button if you found the video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more app recommendations like this one. This is Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.